Hello guys, welcome to SP Global Guru channel. In previous session, we have discussed about software testing. What is software testing? Why we are using software testing? What are the benefits in software testings and the types of software testing? We have seen. And today's session, we are going to discuss about the SDLC. So we can see what is SDLC. What are the activities will be involved in that SDLC? Okay, step by step. So SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. So what is life cycle? So every product have one life cycle. Even a chair, a phone, a dress, everything will have some life cycle from starting stage to how it will evolve to the final stage. Everything will have one life cycle, right? So like that only, so our applications also have some life cycles. And the first step is requirement gathering and analysis. For example, if you are planning to build a home, you will make some requirement, right? What I need to build my home? Who is going to be my civil engineer? What is the estimation? How it will take? Like everything you will make one note, right? Some documents like that only. In requirement gathering, like who is the client? Who is the client? And what are his requirement? What I am going to do? That and all will comes in the requirement end. Requirement gathering is nothing but it is one documentation. Okay, we are preparing one documentation here. So we will gather here three types of documentations. One is BRS. Another one is SRS, another one is FRS. So BRS, who will develop means business analyst, and SRS means system analyst, and FRS means our dev managers, development team, they will prepare. So what is this BRS means? Business analyst. In every company we have some business analysts. They will talk to the client what they require. Actually, what is the requirement of the client? For example, they are asking some e-commerce application means, so they will collect all the information. Who is the client? What they need? What is his requirement? Everything this business analyst will collect it, and this document is called as a BRS. And this SRS. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. This is BRS means Business Requirement Specification. SRS means Software Requirement Specification. So system analyst, and every company system analyst will be there. So by getting the BRS, we will plan this SRS. Okay, to develop this application, what software I need, what are the software, hardware, what is the required, that and all will be prepared as a SRS. And FRS means nothing but a functional requirement specification. What all the functionality is going to take place in my application, that will comes under the FRS. So after we gathered all the documents, we will do analyze. We will analyze. Okay, what could have been done? What could have really developed? It is not at all possible. It is what the steps or what the functionality will be done, or what could not be developed. So we will analyze. Okay. So what can be done, what could not be done, based on the functionalities or based on the system, based on these documents, they will analyze. Okay, this will come under the requirement gathering and analyze. And the next step is project plan. So okay, I'll draw this. So plan means it is like a time estimation. We are planning it, when we have to start, when we have to end. So what all the steps we are going to, after collecting all the requirements, we will do planning. Okay, it will be like development team planning, project planning, like test planning, testing team planning, everything. When I should start developing my application, this is the start date, when I should end. Here's testing, when I should start, when I should end. So like this plan, everything we will do in project planning. Okay, and coming to the third step, this is the design. design, for example, I am saying, now you have built your home. You have gathered all the information, you did planning, like that is the blueprint. So after this, you have designed your home. So here is my hall, and this is my kitchen. Everything you have planned and it has been developed. Now you are doing some interior designs. My kitchen have to have this kind of shelves. My ceiling have to look like this. Some designs in your rooms you are doing like, so that in software also, after this project plan, we will design our applications. This application will be consist of UI. This is called user interface. We can develop this UI by using some languages called HTML, CSS. So user interface. So they will design our applications, like this is my login page, this is my home page, everything. So the designing will be happen next step, and then we will do the coding. Say after the design, this is my design means here some button. So this is just a design. Coding is not done here. So in this coding stage, the people will be involved, like who will be the developers. Developers will do the coding by using some of the language, right? Programming language like Java, JavaScript, or C, C++. Any programming language they will take and they will do design. For this button is there, how this button have to work. Back of this button they will write some set of the code. Okay. So now requirement gathering is done and project planning also is done, and then design and coding. After the coding, here is our testing. So we will perform here. So here we will perform many test levels, like a level of testings and techniques of testings. We will test the application. We will at the day by day the next classes and all we will discuss about this testing. Okay. So after this testing over, then project will be released. The project will be released. First the project will be handed over to the client. Whether the client is satisfied with the project, then it will be released to the original market. And then support and maintenance. After the project released to the original market, if my application is not working properly, it is suddenly after the usage of 2 or 3 months, my application is stuck, it is not working, some lagging is there, means that time this maintenance teams will take care. Some failure is happening, means that time the maintenance teams will do the support and maintenance is happening. So these are the steps to develop one application. So that is called the software development life cycle. I hope this session has helped you to understand this topic. Thank you very much.